want to say,
oh, Nyamia don't me here.
I think Japan
I think come change na I say na yeah that's what in come na
amen.
Yeah tumpon wo yeah any aspect of our lives.
Sure.
Na Nyamia ma ya pomden. We shirayen with sika.
Amen.
Wa ma ya nimunyam.
Amen.
Na die ebema ye namwa ye be ya dance die se asomasi Nyankopon ahira ne bia no na odi adom ye.
Amen.
Na sampa bona ye boma ye hone no abi na ye boma ye tiefo nyina.
Okay.
Obi a on fan share from ni agro bia no. Ye mana fishapa na ye bompa ye se 2026 be a very very great year. Ede ama ye nyina.
Amen.
Ye remfi ye client nso so.
Sure.
Omoji Nhyira FM di. Eji Power Sports di. Na omodo omaja tondi e ba se yemfa program no so na ye mo hu de ro ema amansan enti no Yankopon Nhyira omunyuma na enkofo ni omunidwa na omonka se ye de ye ho kobata Nhyira FM no ye dwumadi aye di no empon to ana abamu nti Yankopon ka nyina ye ho na ye wo hie nyina ye ho afishiapa. Now se uyo obi a oye critical thinker pa, you knew there was a big problem when Amorim eka se oba be manager and not the head coach. And the entire America say, Rich, baby new ewiasia a football club a what director of football and as a sporting director na almost our manager. The two portfolios doesn't exist in one club.
Okay.
Now say they be a team for better the American see. Those times na Sir Alex Ferguson as a Vengamo na ye frɛ omo managers no in English football. They were the authority when it comes to the sporting direction of the club. Enti bibia a fast sporting project ni bia of Manchester United no. Time and Sir Alex Ferguson war on and near from managers no. Na a year almost said ye. Players are echo, players are eba. Baby at the club never when it comes to sporting projects. Everything was about the managers. Now, even it's our time now. Obia wa diff sports e chiache bia. Any me by agent say na free England na oko baby say Spain, Italy. The coaches that were there were called coaches. They were not called managers. Say na ye di English football nkoma na ye refer to say Alex Ferguson money Wenger mono. Because in those other jurisdictions in the almost started say almost sporting directors ne director of football adwuma ache. Until when Amorim a press conference and I say an interviewer or can say ono oba so be manager no. I say because there is no way you can be a manager of a club. I was sporting director and I say director of football. Enyejuma me per local example but me nya. But me so be what sports achebia or team common head na se will understand me.
So for example, Uyenyisu Kotoko at a point Sana Kwesiapia was the sporting director. Edema Kotoko. Let's say Bianca Kaimzito at that time. na kotoko kofa ne dinaba na crime to so me ban na nka me say e ba no sporting decisions
na me be money
me na nka nyeme bi wasi aboma mane when I nim sa akosi apia is there at the sporting director Edman Sante kotoko.
So you see a few examples. Me, I knew, say, time at English football, and so who say, Dabi. Omo mumu edu say Alex Ferguson money Wenger, so omo free system anymore. Na you heard the success of Real Madrid money, Barcelona money, other clubs elsewhere. You jiri say baby a football economy. And yes, I man nipa baako to me bebree. Said ye dem Wenger money Ferguson mono. Enti ye be start adapt the foreign structure of the way omo running omo clubs na aba England. Now the few examples are very successful. No, there is a caveat. Number one, Man City with Pep. Answer na Pep over Man City. No. Rich. There was Ferran Soriano, who is the CEO of the club. And there is Stikli Begristan, who is the director of football and as a sporting director of City. Time Omoko for Pep Abano. Sam Mpenyinfo Mieni Amabo Mudi. Rich had worked in the same portfolio with Pep at Barcelona. And until Omode Pep Obano, one, Pep Tiasia say, oh, Tamani a year Jumo Barcelona no. Sporting director, Nejumenie. Menso na me coach of Barcelona, Nejumenie. Emra ye Juman Asia. The relationship of many Pakistan more to convince them say, oh, ye recruitment. Ye decide no one na like that relationship was already there. And it's Washa. Pep. Se o che nimfia wadi ewo Man City nim into eresa. The era of Ferran any Pakistan was hugely successful. And not only that, Kasachie and Tokobia or more because they understood their roles from Barca. And when they be more team Feno Man City. Number 2 example. Unim the entire Unai Emery or struggle here or Paris Saint-Germain or struggle here or Arsenal. But he's so comfortable with Aston Villa now. Unai, all the successes at Sevilla, he did it with one man called Munchi as the sporting director. But Oko Paris Saint-Germain, Oba Arsenal, no, he couldn't get Munchi to join him because those clubs already had their structure. And as a portfolio nanka Munchi ba Oba occupy no, there were people there already. Because on you entimi any sa relationship no, na yakeke etibom ntokwa kitinkiti. He was not successful. Oba Vea. Obi Owotie maybe I should follow this. One of the first things he recommended our Aston Villa and he said Mungo for Munchi mrebe. As my sporting director.
No, na ye juma da.
What's nim how a person see team. Se me ni Munchi wo meeting as you say ye be ma we yakọ we be ba. Achinie bi ama ho. Enti me metena bonti in a pre-match press conference and I post and me create the impression say I said me juma na me ye no. Obi a me ne ye ne ma me kwa ma me nya madwuma. We understand each other. Now Rich, today the Arsenal you see are built on the success collaboration and then the relationship are Edu and with Arteta. And can you sound and can you come and say the same story? Edu understood his position, gave Arteta the respect, say Onosube occupy, na omumi no complementing each other. And it is always Tamana Edu or any sign be an Arsenal be biano. Se utie omu press conference at the unveiling. It is as if say a trust scripts and Omumi you the same thing. Edu and Arteta. They were within the same vision. And contradictions be him. And the Arsenal were able to sort Sadio. Now, Rich, Manchester United, Ekofa Dan Ashworth Ebaye as the sporting director, and Amokofa Jason Walkers Ebaye as technical director. Then you brought in Christopher Vevel as director of recruitment. And in April, and Dan Ashworth Entimiantana. Okoya na mu promote Jason Walkers about director of football. Now, Amorim, you don't come to a team and what director of football as our director of recruitment and say I want to be a manager of that club.
But I think that Amorim problem and yet on your manager of the team.
That is what he said.
But Mimi Fu say, baby, on the problem, pa, I want to say, although players be players no open, man farmer.
You see, that
you even told him, say, General Mobe transfers the amount of money.
Mamika Samanjiro. Sir, specifics, you know. Nini now goes back to Nkomana Mini Wood, you know.
But you, Ayala, say Timba Hakuni there. You are the sporting director and the coach, whatever. Yenna na juma ba ko ne whatever decision I will take biya at the end of the park and so and there should be some sort of cordial relationship be
are you not coming back to my point and see the point in say Otis Amorim Bible until because I wanted to be the manager. Do you know what he means?
Oh, he won't take you over.
Actually, he want to be the man in charge of the decisions. So me can we are me na me ka say empuna na epunu. Because when I'm a pa, you bring it to me. Even in the era of Sir Alex Ferguson, and Wenger, which they just didn't say I wanted this player. They go on to even negotiate how a player and go over here. It is okay over English football. Now, mention manager. You are talking about a huge position, which today. The Manchester United team now wants to see here, which in paying for more club will not allow you to exercise that. It's as simple as that. Now, to maybe have a doing a summer transfer, the director of recruitment, Christopher Vevel, the director of football, any war Amorim in a meeting, then they submitted a list of shortlisted players. Now, for how these things work. Rich, in those structures, see a recruitment coach will report to the director of football. You must leave it vague. Vague no me can and me per striker. Me per striker ebia owa. Obema me presence in the box. Obema me way away. Obema me way. Me probi o movement. Me probi o way. Me probi o way.
So you don't mention
you
it.
Describe the profile.
So for example, to say they no cast no pe Ole Watkins.
That is striker. That is why I'm coming.
Okay.
Enti once you say per striker within this profile. In the current system, unless it is a Tickly Bergestan ne pep movie. Relationship then they can say, oh, Chalina striker now also open. Oh, why no with him? Also, come in now as soon as ya.
Come back.
If young on now, okay, and may young word man bro. But in other jurisdictions where Rich professional and guano. We are in professional environment. You submit yours, I go deal with it. That is the reason. That's how some way. Obia what is supposed to be him say. We came to Yebe Church where Amorim wanted Ole Watkins, gave me reasons. The entire Ope Ole Watkins, the Premier League experience, they were also born a born only Saruman ope. Then we came to say, look. a better DM Amorim to get their open because Christopher Vivona, on the director of recruitment, had worked with Zesco in the past. And also did say the only for Brantiano. Rich, in a strict professional environment, so one go beyond so obiani lemu and build relationship. There's no way it's going to work. And yeduma, and by now the obia will be clear what the situation is. The Amorim air cannot there. It doesn't even suffice. And bad discussions in Mumpo. But the bigger problem, and I say, you could clearly see, say, Oba Jumadi no sono. He never got the connection with Empenying for he's supposed to take the decisions with. And when you have a connection now, it will be the ulem na misumi nimilem.
But the film Ayala. Somehow okay. I mean, I understand. But don't mind a great disservice to Manchester United. To be honest.
You see.
Because ain't me must say one club. Now for the past 5 seasons, our problem has been striking. Strike or better go. Strike a bit and baby our problems or better go. It means that Obi soon get a you see. Me and then I may do maybe as a minute Amorim me and soft out Kakadia man.
Mame Kasa say.
In data and I do coffee fast I play in that one back.
Mame Kasa say. Yemfa Obi say jogging club. Any example. I think say club will give us a very, very open mind discussion on this subject. Club came from the German school. German clubs was structured say Europe and say England. And the German clubs was sporting directors. We taking decisions, recruitment coach we say when we are crabby. Barrage club about Liverpool. Not Liverpool biggest problem. Anna Brendan Rodgers Mark Kebiamayati was recruitment. How a coach, you are far away from the decision. Until Michael Edwards will take the decision for you. Who are one for we have, who are one better boo yama, and in Yedma. He didn't like it. But no one say. Now, club Bayern, Unimadia Bakwa, or lobby the system now to get in his favor. Now, Liverpool, our recruitment team, and first a recruitment committee. Club Bayern or you. Germany wa yenye sa. Oh yes sir, am a recruitment say if recruitment have to go through Argentina bebra, we get confused and classes ne doso.
Because obi had the figures beba.
Yes, obi had the you don't do oh yes I want me movie on them. And to him, let's go with the German star. Mungu recruitment committee Then promote Michael Edwards alone, one person, as the technical director. And as a director of football. Now, me need Nhyira. Now, Rich, I did a club and I say, because Michael Edwards and him say, a club, and also so the Kuma committee, near promoting or no nintino. He had that respect, and can you what? Everybody coming here. It's a mobile, the menu by Hedgman. Dobeke Biano, menu by Yadrin Tentem, near Timia. Number 2, club came in with a lot of pedigree. And the Edwin Orban, why you be there at the highest level? What Champions League final, what G League, our Bundesliga and him, which Dortmund and Yade. And it's one of the catcher say, eh, sir, right back now, yeah, Penon. The young bomb football. Me Gini say, Weber Bois. We are Michael Edwards. Rich.
Undoubtedly.
Yes, you will be convinced quickly. Because one, only know a relationship already. Then 2, or you will be an Oba with a certain pedigree. Now, the problem, Amorim money Maraskamo, and were that Rich. They were not coming to these great clubs with pedigree KCBA. And so, that is the reason why Chelsea couldn't appoint Luis Enrique.
Yeah.
Because Luis Enrique, Obama doing the interview, they say, a woman structure. But when I come, even the sporting director, must listen to me very, very well. Because me the pedigree be able. Hey, me my trouble with Barcelona, my way. And I know my discretion. Say, I was sort of, because when about Buamia, meaning the America. I don't
in Manchester, then in
will be to come and debate me, giddy be.
Okay.
Rich. So I know my unit Chelsea for me. To me, I answer Krobi also practicing democracy. They have to go through it. They will grow out of it. And they will get it right at a point in time.
Okay.
Even clubs are a free Mresantini or more practice this new structure and impo. Sometimes they have classes. Even at Barcelona me club. Didn't you know time I can say oh pe obi amanabo the left wing hono. Tamana Nikomo a debate no on top. I can't just say Deco's preference was Luis Diaz of Liverpool then. Yeah. On the exporting director, on say medium Luis Diaz amepe. The Barcelona president, SEO medium Nico. Oriya Feno Hansi Flex yo. Maybe the money the baby ano mepe. Someone for Bianca Macra. I think I have enough for me to compromise it namabo. And even with these structures on my practice this side way if it you know.
And they are classics
a human institution.
Thomas Nuno na yemfani mas can communicate yemfan rapi up na yemra a female different common say. That is what Christopher Vivell came to do at Chelsea. He brought Benoit Badiashile over Guardiola, Mudryk over Rafael Leao. To know him says I'm the numbers no be pulling no. At the end, player not in the Babano.
Now you see,
I'm saying Nkoyi into your fans are.
You see, also rich. Adia bakwa. Na say let's forget same. De bia omode excuse not to switch from manager no. Was almost fear of sporting directors, any player agents, a interest.
Matthias because Vivell no. So no ni Benjamin Sesko ayejuma.
You get it.
And the idea no so or some soft heart to be the man.
Exactly. And make us say the agency Yekuta Sesko no. Because of my adjuma they have a relationship. It's allowed to be the acquire kwa 2%. You get it. And even in Silas Ferguson book, he has a whole page addressing player agents. Say when it comes to running football,
which is true. Because Abasa no Debiano no hell no interest on her club Nediano.
It is when you obia on a Jumano and any KPIs. Because at the end of the day, Rich, say you Jumano Suma, director of recruitment in sporting directors to take the decision. Not more the players, ne banner players, no, I'm a far. Ayana in those clubs, Yemblemu coaches in bro. We will sack the sporting director. You will sack the director of recruitment because I am Muna specialize in knowing player profile when they are good, when they are bad. And it's Washa, Rich. In Pimpino, Christopher Vivell Monet, Sanko for no. Omuye Jumama Salzburg, RB Leipzig. Omo at their level, they are looking to bring in young players. A comedy scouting report and them come say these are the best in the system. No more but Rich, when you elevate them to clubs around, results oriented or more pay good materials. That is why it has always been a case. You say a player be person or call RB Leipzig can also call Dortmund. The profile of the player will be different when the player is mature, no Bayern. And to bet me the Erling Haaland from Salzburg, about Dortmund. But so about Dortmund is not approving the numbers. Then he will move from Dortmund to Barcelona, Real Madrid, Man City of today, and Bayern. Some level of moving. And no necessarily Ferguson because at that time you don't need Vivell. You don't need them big clubs must always identify big players and go for them. They are mature enough. Unim. A man vivo woman can't just say, oh, me who are crabby and still now or improve and or you go. That's where the problem is. You go to
Chelsea.
You see, Chelsea in my ask, Diano. A moon from my union Amorim, Diano.
I had the same.
Almost. A moon. My ask issues were there. And you see, Rich, it comes back to the structures of the clubs. And the operation said, after the you start here, the decision is back to Umudro. Okay. Utie all the articles on Mutroye, Tama, Mayaskane, Chelsea, Eddie Party, and now. Me, I want to start from the bottom. I must say first one. On the medical team of Chelsea and Tower. Rich, in any professional club, say player pra na obeba back. The number of minutes will be to me abo. The time also started ball. And it's all right. Yes, you. The medical team ama so and so player green light say he can play. Yeah. It is decided by them because I almost juma.
We all come in chat time and Fanamo.
Yes, also which must start time in 15 minutes. Oboa so after they will improve it almost so Oba official room no. Yeah, now he can play 30. Now he can play 1/2. Oh, now he is good to go. Wait about matches now. Matters will only arise when coach Nhyira say in the suggestion of Jumano. You should imagine about say Charlie match we kwakubono. And you crucial pa. And to make sure you work on this guy so that I can get 60 minutes out of him. So American team guys will coach they don't know. And yet possible. We'll insist you give him 30 minutes. There will be a problem.
Or coach per result. Medical staff and also few so yenejuma.
Exactly.
Because a player knows all man kobo na injury no
a move
you come back for problem.
But the American answer Rich. Even in the environment that there is higher standard of professional ethics, Rich, there are compromises. Every staff is supposed to go on leave within the year, bare 30 days. But which mean say and you will be 30 days. But I show it's in the company's policy, it is compulsory. Say the person must go. But it is a professional compromise. Now, there are sometimes you want to go, your program manager will tell you, I have time with you. Because I go there,
2 days, you
get it. And you know, even when the medical team is right and trying to be strict with our policy, say, oh, we're over to 30 penal. Rich, so only a good relationship. Then you tell him so, oh, Charlie, okay, I'm saying I'll bet about 30. But next week, me here need to give me bare 70. And to make sure you get him to that level. Oh, okay, you may am. And not that the yaka. Oh, in any environment, Rich, obia straight, no. I hold the problem. Number 2. There are revelations from Austin Mo, any other say, who said Chelsea project, is to buy the best young players we have. And within our policy, no money. Rich, it is part of the policy. So, say, oh, because you don't grab baby, now you don't have to bench Obi for so long. Meaning, I say, why are redundant?
Why rusty?
And there is a rotation policy at Chelsea to make sure say Obia will get a taste of playing time. Rich, who determines that?
It is a coach.
It is who your coach are. You insist. You know.
And your rotations no koyana. result you go and go.
It's the same thing. I can tell America say who determines who plays, how many minutes. But say if there is a policy on paper, let's say Magate is Mobi. Oh, Magate is Abobi no. Sa policy now say Magana to Susu Mobi. Say Obama Pedro Neto Abobia. Ma Estava Susu Mobi. Ma West Susu Mobi. Say you get it.
Sure.
It takes the sa policy now paper no. A mania dema coach to independently decide starting 11 for every match. Because Rich, what it means is that so we started 2 games with Garnacho our left one. And shall going into your 3rd game, you will be called from Omo monitors a policy in the year to say Garnacho about 2 games and do get in so. Every the side game now you want getting Garnacho to continue to play. But after that time, until the policy was also hunting him. Then year crowd.
Yeah, now everyone to also.
Look, American owners no. Rich, our club is owned by American Sikafua. There is nothing like protection. They should protect you for what? They are strictly business people. They believe in the establishment. They don't believe in romance. You may cock ni power. No. Rich, if you're highway, since I obeyed more multimedia, have you had any romance with Kwasichum before?
No. Hey, business. Had a business.
There's no romance here. What we have agreed, we will pay. Adwuma na wo ye no yama contracts. Apart from the also yama, the also yama years only ye no. The contract comes with an attachment of the structure of adwuma na wo ye no. One your boss, one your immediate boss. Asam to one odi ka catch no. Your HR policy, your way fits into the structure and work. There is no romance here. Ebia, for the sake of a moment here, there are one-man stations, station owned by one-man businessman. Bia, Ebia Rich Ehono. So when you problem, you can take a phone and call. Or call and say, boss, no matter cost so hand impossible. Then one-on-one, he'll be able to find a way to help you. That is the romance I make a once. In different environments, you was no money.
Okay.
But Rich, the American owners, no, they don't have time for romance. Work. Give us what we want. You know the Akofa Obai. Stay in that. Don't come out and say, and I don't get. Look. Sebi. Today's Chelsea, Rich, it's not Real Madrid. Where Florentino Perez can give you a lifeline. No, these are they don't do things like that. And say, who here you system? No man, you frustrated. Now, as say about until press conference, then you know said you are one that's a crown. Dear Amorim, dear Maesca, you could clearly see so you will be aware experience in following footballer. I say ompeso omu ewusu akunyabi
but structure no
na eyi omo tutu oh I said they want to sack themselves. That is the reason why so where the first day Maesca be kasa no okay say Jimmy Carragher Ebeka said no this guy will not survive.
Okay,
me after watching Amorim interview, I came here to be a manager. I knew.
No, one person before Yakobolis game none both. And me say me game now, so when not touch now. What you say? The wolf part original.
Who voice now, boy?
Yeah.
Who's the voice? Like I say, Obaso be a manager. He is able to Obaso yes at the end for 18 months. Yeah, we can move on. He knew even say otena se mpo na the contract in be ya the way system nine there was no way he was going to continue
on survival
rich in something no we don't need to bring in all the specific little details to understand.
But sometimes you need to be flexible because to say the American yemi na ejuma yen to be flexible send be suit yemi na send be nya result no we go na one common thing
which we've dealt with that yen come ya edi I can't just say the flexibility comes with relationship.
Okay, I think I'm saying no be say perhaps it be chance
the flexibility
because we say only munchi no so some sort of
you get it
on the players are we pay we should do no pay
flexibility normal me no dey ba apart from the relationship one so pedigree.
Okay,
say na ya ka say tiki bag is am free city so mo ko say who go Vienna na all cities here who go Vienna came from Sporting Club de Portugal. Baby, I'm Amorim here, Jumano. Rich, Vienna by what you no pepenya problem.
No.
I didn't hear. Because they are mutual respect. Vienna knows, Charlie, this is Pep. Pep na mini here.
Say Andre Beta on your teta do say.
You get it.
Yeah.
Look at Beta crowd. Go back to time and all Atletico Madrid.
Yeah.
And look at his relationship with Simeone.
Yeah.
Better became one of the best sporting directors because on this Simeone, 3 years, Juma chair. Any man be asked to know. Rich, you need that. When yes, Obebre, Nancy, Paris Saint-Germain, winning all the trophies. Go and listen to Luis Enrique after he won the Champions League. The longest interview, and the tribute he was all year for Ocampo. No, see, Charlie, my year Juma was sporting directors, but me buy, you know. He has many and we've built a relationship. Some can say, you may bomb any chair, you may Mbappe. We can build a team. What's okay? Me Judy, my Yama. Okay, you need that. Rich, baby, Rich, there sometimes.
Sure.
You can get to one of your boss and say, I must agree with it. Say, you know. But me Judy say, situation a woman if you are able to have that relationship and you are able to convince him was okay they are also can that is how it works.
Insurance of 4.5 a new year show your first show 2026 edna etin konyo eguso de mam ye din komoni bia em say Antoine Semenyon ni ade no of course I no cross confirmation no and I say announcement ni nyamai tim say probably feature na de kono you bet me the sound community na for games how do I war ni ade no ni na ne din komo no enso e de amama of course AFCON so almost a Ghanaian ko binti ama favor no from kakra if we announce ubia won je dan ye and share